Hey guys, Mr. B here. I decided to make you guys a momentum video for a couple of reasons. One being just the fact that we had a lot of trouble with that hockey bag problem that was on that sample exam that I gave you guys. And two is for some reason we keep forgetting how momentum works and what is the formula of momentum. Alright, so I got a situation here where I've got this car. He's moving this way. This car is moving that way. This one has a velocity of, um, I'll just make up a few numbers here. I'll say 15 meters per second and a mass of 500 kilograms. This one has a velocity left of, I'll say, 20 meters per second and a mass of 750 kilograms. Okay, so that's what's happening before. So before, they each have an individual momentum, okay? And that is equal to the momentum after. So no matter what happens, they can stick together, they can bounce off, they can change direction. The momentum before is always equal to the momentum after, okay? So that's what happens before. After, what ends up happening is that this car ends up going this way with a speed of 5 meters per second, and its mass is still 500. And this thing ends up going, well, we don't know. We're wondering what its V2 is, and its mass is still the same. Okay, call it V2. And its mass is still the same. So we can use our momentum formula to be able to solve this thing. So momentum, of course, is equal to mv. Okay. So for this case, we have momentum of object 1, speed of object 1, plus the momentum. Actually, I'm going to change the notation on this a little bit. Call this is velocity V2 after and velocity V2 after. Okay, so we got M2 V2, then we have the same thing M1 1 V1 1. So this represents after plus M2 1 and V2 1. So this is after. So now I sub in these numbers. So let's see. Hopefully this works out. I just made these numbers up, so it may not. So we got 500. Velocity of 15 plus 750, and recognize my velocity here is negative 20 equals it's moving that way, so it's 500 at negative 5 plus 750, and my V2 after. Alright, so let me just break it my web limit here. Alright, so let's move this over. Let's just calculate this. So 500 times 15 plus 750 times negative 20. Momentum here is equal to negative 750. And then on the other side, I've got negative so I'm going to take this across the other side and I'm going to add it. 7500 divided by, plus 2500 divided by 750. So my V2 after for this particular one is, so my V2 after is equal to negative 6.7 meters per second. So that's my velocity of this car after. So that's also moving that way as well. Okay? So that's an example. This thing is important to remember, and that's how momentum works. All right, guys, take her easy.